Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily perform a manual channel scan on your Hyundai TV. So first, let's head over to the settings. Now after going to settings, go to installation, and here we will have the manual channel scan. Here you guys can select the search type. So it could be the aerial, the cable, satellite, and analog. Here, basically, when you have everything connected, then you can choose the channel. Also, you can change the frequency by pressing on your, the TV remote. And network channel scan, you can either enable or disable it. And that's basically how you guys can perform a manual search. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.